Greeting, I introduce myself and my name is Jorge Luis Hernandez and I will tell you about the representative historical sites of Yucatan, and that site is Chichen Itza. And if you are a tourist, you must visit these sites. And first of all, I will talk about the main attractions that are found and has second point, and I will tell you about some activities that can be done. And the Pyramid of Kukulkan is the most representative building of Chichen Itza. Some peculiarities of the building are: if you stand in front of the staircase made handcraft, produce an echo that they say is like the song of the Quetzal. The sacred cenote, and the Mayan used the sacred cenote to make sacrifice inside, and the cenote is 16 meters in diameter and 15 meters from the ground to the surface of the water. The observatory also now has the caracol, and the main objective of the observatory was to study the trajectory of Venus and standard were of the most important to the Mayan. The Temple of the Warrior, and the Temple of the Warrior and there's from the years 1200 and approximately, and is one of the most beautiful, best preserved buildings in Chichen Itza. Activities in Chichen Itza. And tour can be made where experts show us the construction and tell us the history of each one, and you can finally enjoy the regional food of Yucatan. Conclusion, and in Chichen Itza you can learn a lot of relevant history and of the Mayan civilization, and it's a really beautiful this size. And thank you so much.